Preparation of bank reconciliation statement with adjusted cash book balance. Bank reconciliation with corrected or adjusted cash balance. A bank reconciliation statement is prepared generally without correcting the cash book during different months of the year. However, at the end of an accounting year, cash book should be corrected for the entries that should have been recorded but have not been recorded in the cash book. This should be done before preparing a bank reconciliation statement. Items causing difference between the two balances. These items are checks issued but not yet presented, checks deposited but not yet collected due to an error in the passbook, steps in the preparing bank reconciliation statement with adjusted cash book balance. Under this method of preparing a BRS, the entries recorded in both bank column of cash book and passbook are to be examined in order to compute the correct bank balance, and then the bank reconciliation statement should be prepared with the correct bank balance as per the cash book. The steps involved in the preparation of the bank reconciliation statement with adjusted or amended cash balance are as given below. Step 1. The bank balance as per the cash book is noted. Step 2. All the errors committed in the cash book to be recorded are rectified. Step 3. Transactions present only on the credit side of the passbook needs to be recorded on the debit side of the cash book. Step 4. Transactions present only on the debit side of the passbook needs to be recorded on the credit side of the cash book. Step 5. At the end, total the cash book and find the balancing figure, which is used to prepare the bank reconciliation statement.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.